and today I bring to you a mini spongy eggless cake recipe that is going to be very simple and easy, and I know you've never ever tasted such type of mini cakes. It's a different and unique recipe. Yes, so let's get started. It's going to be a complete surprise and it's going to be very spongy and nice. So let's get started. Today I bring to you a simple and easy Parle-G cake. So I've taken Parle-G, that is for 10 rupees. It has 20 plus 20 gram extra. So I'm going to cut it. This is a simple Parle-G cake and it will barely take you 15 to 20 minutes to make it. So I've opened this packet. I'm going to put all the biscuits in this plate. So what we basically have to do is prepare a powder. So I'm taking in a grinder and I'm going to be making 2 to 3 pieces of this, adding it inside the grinder, just rough pieces. You can use any biscuits of your choice, around 130 grams of biscuits. So as you can see, I'm almost there. So I've added all this in the grinder and now I'm going to close the lid and I'm going to make this into a fine powder. So I've grinded this. Now I'm going to sieve it. I don't want any large chunks of biscuits to just go inside like that, so it's always preferable to sieve it. So just sieve it. You can just take a spoon and sieve it, because what we need is a fine powder. So sieve it and sieve it nicely. So there is still some left, so I'm just going to grind this again till it forms a nice powder. So the last one also I've sieved it nicely and this powder is currently ready. So I'm going to take an appam pan and I'm going to grease it nicely with some vegetable oil. So just take a pastry brush and dip it in oil, and it's important to do this step so that the cake doesn't stick. So in all the appam cavities I'm just going to grease it well. I'm going to be adding in ENO in the cake batter. So as soon as the ENO activates, it's important that the appam pan should be readily greased. So as soon as it substitutes and everything gets nicely mixed, as soon as that, I'm going to start preparing the cake. Now this is a very simple and easy recipe of cake. It's like mini cakes, mini Parle-G cakes. Okay, I've greased this completely well, keeping it aside. I'm going to keep it aside. Now back to this. Now in this I'm going to be adding in 3/4 cup of milk. This is just normal milk. It was boiled before and I let it cool down and come to room temperature. Now slowly by slowly I'm going to add in the milk and I'm going to be mixing it nicely. Gradually add the milk. Remember 3/4 cup. So adding the milk, mixing it. In the starting you may feel like there are some lumps, but as you will start gradually adding in the milk, it will all come together. So I've added in again. Just mix it. You may say this is the Parle-G batter. Mix it well. So I can see there are some little lumps which I'm just going to slowly break them, adding the rest of the milk. So exactly 3/4 cup of milk. I'm continuing to mix this batter. I'm just going to get rid of the spoon and I'm going to start whisking it well. Just take all the mixture and keep the spoon aside. So I've added in all the milk. I'm going to whisk it in one direction. You can see there are still some little lumps, but don't worry. At the end, the cake will be lovely. So I've mixed this well. This is how the batter consistency should look like. Ribbon consistency. So perfect, this is ready. Now the last ingredient that I'm going to be adding here is Eno. I'm using in this Eno lemon flavored. I personally like using this Eno. If you wish, you can just use regular Eno. So it's important to use fruit salt in this recipe. Okay, so I'm just going to give this a last final mix, and I'm going to be adding the Eno. So I'm going to whisk it well. Whisking is done. I'm going to be pouring in the entire packet of Eno, or sachet you may say. Now mixing it well. You'll see the batter will start to become fluffy and nice. So this is completely done. So at this same moment, taking in the appam pan and filling in the appam cavities with 1 tablespoon of this batter. No need to add any sugar or ghee or condensed milk, eggs, nothing. This is a lovely eggless cake recipe. So adding in, just fill in 3/4 cavities. So the same way I'm going to fill in all the appam cavities with this cake batter. The cake batter is nice with perfect consistency. So our cake is going to be lovely, fluffy, spongy. So continuing to add all this. Similarly, I'm going to add in all the appam cavities. Filled all these appam cavities, I'm going to tap it once, twice, taking it to low flame. On low flame, I'm closing in the lid, keeping it on low flame. Make sure and remember, only on low flame. Cook this cake, bake this cake for around 8 minutes. So take your phones quickly and put a timer of 8 minutes on low flame without preheating. I'm going to bake this lovely Parle-G cakes for 8 minutes. So see you guys after 8 minutes. So 8 minutes are done. I'm going to open the lid. So it's time to check the cake. First, I'm going to off the flame. I'm going to insert a toothpick and check. It's completely clean. So this cake is completely ready. It's time to serve this lovely cake. I've taken some chocolate and melted it in a double boiler method, and I'm going to use this for garnishing on the cake. So I'm taking a piping bag and I'm going to add this melted chocolate in the piping bag and decorate it. So now that the cupcakes are ready, the lovely Parle-G mini cakes are ready, it's time to decorate. And now, as I'm making this as a kid's special variety, I've taken the melted chocolate, added like this in a piping bag, and folded it like this, like a cone. Just like this, easy and simple. So next in, I'm just going to garnish it. So it's important the cakes should have cooled down a bit. So I'm just going to cut a little part from my piping bag, and I'm just going to garnish, starting from the middle one like this. Just simple, easy garnishing. If you don't have a piping bag, you can use any milk bag or any type of bag, and then just make a simple corn like this. And you can add in just simple designs. You can add in a little bit of more and more chocolates. Kids are absolutely going to love having this. So here I've just used simple dairy milk chocolate that I've melted in the double boiler method. If you wish, you can simply use the compound chocolate. Now these cakes are completely ready to be served. These cakes, you can store them in the refrigerator for up to 3 days and they'll remain the way they are. With this recipe, you can make around 14 such type of mini cakes. You just have to be careful. Just bake them for 8 minutes on low flame. And if you have an appam pan that is really thin, or that has really thin material, just bake them for around 5 to 6 minutes and the appam cakes will be ready. So this is a very simple, easy and quick recipe. Only 3 ingredients, 3 main ingredients required, and the recipe is ready. So let's go, let's enjoy this lovely cakes. Now if you wish, at this stage you can refrigerate the cake so that the chocolate sets, but I just like having them fresh as they are still a little bit warm inside. And this recipe is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do let me know any recipes that you would like to learn in the comment section, and do let me know how this recipe turns out for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye and see you in my next video. Done. Tasting in the lovely Parle-G mini cake. It's so lovely, delicious. It is so soft, spongy and really good. I just don't have any words. It's absolutely nice. It's like a spongy vanilla type of cake, even without adding any vanilla essence or anything like that. I've created this lovely recipe for you guys, so do watch it.